Who did this? With whose permission? Procedurally, I'm not a policeman, but any demolition must be well sanctioned, and after well processed, it must be well sanctioned to go to term. I mean, a court gives an order that has been a good sanction. That's now a process. That order must be presented to the nearest police station, and the same police station is supposed to relay this thing to the headquarters IG. After that is when these things can be carried about in the presence of both parties. Wonder, a very interesting thing. Why does somebody have to remove buildings which were done at a cost unless that person or that party is being out of malice? It's not logical in this country.
We are investigating a case of malicious damage to property which occurred in the post office premises here in Kwale town, which occurred on 24th of May this year. That was on Friday. And we have recorded statements from the complainant, and we're still on course. We're still recording other statements. We are closing in on the individuals who are alleged to have committed this crime.